Hi friends, I hope you're all doing great and had a nice weekend. Last week we had a wonderful day. If you remember the trades we had shared, uh, most of the did a pretty good, decent profit. Let me just go through what are the trades we had shared last week, uh, last Friday. I mean to say, we had shared Tata Consumer, Infosys, Tech Mahindra. I think these trades, the price did not come anywhere near the entries. ICICI Bank has mentioned 17.4. It made high, I think, more than 25. And HDFC Bank also put, we had shared, which made a high of 48 or so. Divis Lab also made a high, in fact, more than what we had mentioned. ITC did not trigger. Uh, Sensex 65 400 put, we mentioned above 94. Target is 170. It made high of 180. In fact, we also shared one Hero Zero trade, 65 400. We said buy both, and we later we said exit the put side and then add to the sorry, exit the call side and add to the put side. So these were the trades. Adani Port in futures we had mentioned sell. This made 2%. I think I see it gives. And ICICI Bank also went almost 2%. So good profitable day. These are some of the trades we have shared in futures. Bandhan Bank, we have shared short position entry levels are mentioned 230 and Reliance 2636 also short. So these are the trades. Before we go into that, let's look at how the option chain data is. If you observe the option chain, then we will understand quite a little bit where is the market heading. Of course, there is huge number of put writers at 19400 who are holding to the position very strongly. So there is some hope he or she has that market may not go below 19400 and holding. However, if you see the call writers have added very strongly at 19400 and PCR also has is at 0.69, which shows a bit of bearishness. And we when you look at Bank Nifty, 45,000 put writers are also holding on to positions. So pretty possibilities that market can be very range boundish. FinNifty expiry is near, so we should see some volatility maybe tomorrow in FinNifty, hopefully. So if you look at the pattern here, Bank Nifty, we had already, in fact, shared the levels. Below this, we had shared the next level target of 19,400, and in fact, market closed much below that. Same, I think, with uh, Sensex. These were the levels shared. In fact, market exactly hit 65 900 and then moved down. Below this, we had mentioned shorts. In fact, the fall of Sensex was pretty huge. From 65 880, it moved to 65 190 levels. Market, in fact, retested here and then fell down drastically at the last uh, 1 hour or so. Good profitable day if somebody were trading on the expiry of Sensex would have made good profits and enjoyed the weekend. Uh, if you notice, crude oil has started going up as per the pattern, or I mean, as per the views, we are expecting this to possibly move up to 84 to 92 levels in a couple of weeks or so. So, which can be, of course, a bit of pressure onto the banks because they have to pay more to buy crude. And if we check the most traded commodity or most used commodity in the market is crude, and then comes gold. Gold has been trading at this levels for some time. Now we expect 1875 to be tested, and maybe even 1790 or 1800 levels also can be tested. However, it is holding on to this position. It is consolidating for some time. We may some upside move before any downfall. A lot of news also uh, are coming from the US in the coming week. One is the unemployment rate, then sorry, the non-farm payroll, of course, was actual was 209 and forecasted was 225. So not much of a difference. So, and that's one of the reasons where Dow Jones moved down uh, quite a bit. If you see, there is a pattern of a M in Dow Jones. If you see here, but sorry. So it has formed this pattern. However, we will only one can only look to. So there is a possibility of more down coming is what can be seen, and of course, market has been moving down. Our Dow Jones has been moving down for the last 3 4 days. So this could also lead a bit of pressure to the bank. If you look at Gift Nifty, there was huge selling on Friday. It has closed at 18,385 levels. So let us see how the market opens on Monday. As per our view or observation, if Nifty is a Nifty is not does not move below 19,370, then the next possible upside move could be it could test 19,400 and 19,460 also. But definitely, we would be looking more towards the put side, or we would be looking more towards the short side. Both in case of Nifty and Bank Nifty, uh, we would possibly look towards the short side. Uh, However, we would wait for our levels to come. I would possibly think of shorting only if Bank Nifty futures moves below 44,950 or 44,942 or so. And the next target possibly could be 19,859, sorry, 44,859, 740 could 700 could be the next target. Below this, we may even see targets of 44,545. So let us see how the market behaves based on price action. We should take an informed decision. Reliance, I'm looking to short in futures below 2636 with a stop loss of 2641, and 2640 put above 51. I'm looking at targets of 80 plus. Maruti also we are looking to short below 9,880 with for targets of 9862 to 54. Bandhan Bank, we are also looking to short below 230 futures target of 227. ABFRL, I am looking for long positions above 216 for targets of 219 to 220. Uh, IGL also we are looking at the long side above 501. We are looking at targets of 508. Uh, Glen above 620, 692, we can expect 700 coming. ICICI Prudential below 574, we may expect target of 562. DLF also we are looking to short below 500 for targets of 490, 496. Indelco, we are looking for on the long side 425 call above 15, can look at targets of 16 to 17. And IRCTC, I am looking to short below 630 for targets of 622. Bharti Airtel also we're looking to short below 865 for targets of 862. So let us see how market goes. Last week I had mentioned in the last video we had mentioned Suzlon may retrace a bit. If you notice, there was not much of a big movement. However, it has closed in the green. And Prakash Industries has given a good, nice rally so far. One may look to short at 75 or exit at 75 levels.